$2,000 credit card, and if you would like to have one with no or bad credit, then your wait is almost over. $2,000 worth of credit card, and remember, if you have bad or no credit at all, then this is a very easy credit card to get right now, especially in this worst time. Remember, we are going to give you step-by-step guide that how you can apply for this credit card, so make sure you watch this video till the end without missing any part at all. And remember, we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal loan with no credit check at all, and you can get it even if you have no or bad credit. So make sure you click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can watch that video when we upload it, and please smash the like button as it helps this video reach to the wider audience. So without any further ado, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Congratulations! The biggest opportunity is finally here, and this time is from Surge. They say you can enjoy a buying power of the Surge MasterCard. Remember, you can get up to $2,000 as your initial credit limit. And first, we will get into the details what this card offers, and then we will give you the details, means step-by-step guide how you can apply for this very important credit card that can be approved very easily even if you have no bad or worst credit. So the first thing they offer, that they say initial credit limit up to $1,000. Yes, you can get up to $1,000 as the initial credit limit, and it can double to $2,000. How? We will let you know, so please stay with us till the end of this video. Well, remember, it's the MasterCard, so it means it has zero liability protection. Means if something happens to your credit card, if someone uses your credit card, you'll get the money back. And third, and the most important thing, is monthly reporting to all 3 major credit bureaus. Means you can get your credit bill at the same time as they report your on-time payments to the credit bureaus. Remember, this is indeed one of the most important credit cards of current time when the people are struggling and they need money to spend right now. But remember, credit card is a money that you borrow and you need to pay it back. So make sure you do that, stay on track, and save your credit as well. Well, remember that when it comes to this credit card, this is a highly rated financial services company, and yes, it is from Continental Finance. Well, remember, as mentioned earlier, the initial credit limit can go from $300 to $1,000, and it can double when you make on-time payments. So how to get the double credit limit? And that's the biggest question and secret. Well, when you actually make the first 6 monthly payments on time, they will double your credit limit, and this is indeed a very important and a very beneficial thing to see. Remember that, as mentioned earlier, you can enjoy the peace of mind with MasterCard zero liability protection. You can have monthly reporting to all 3 major credit bureaus and free monthly credit score as well. Well, remember, when it comes to this is indeed one of the most sought credit card for millions of Americans who are going through hardships right now. So what are we going to do? Well, we are going to click right here on apply now and see the step-by-step guide how you can apply for this credit card. We are also going to paste a link below in the video's description. When you click on it, you will land on this page, and all you need to do is to click apply now. So let's click on it. As 3, 2, 1, let's click. So as soon as you click on it, this page will open. It says double your credit limit. So I'm going to actually zoom in so you can see it properly. Well, you can double your credit limit with Surge, and then you can see if you pre-qualify, and it starts with $1,000 and you can get $2,000 just in 6 months. Means you can double your credit limit. You can choose your own design. A $9.95 fee applies on premium design, so it's totally up to you, and it takes less than a minute to review your offer and apply. As mentioned earlier, they say simply make at least your first 6 monthly payments on time and your initial credit limit will go up from $1,000 to $2,000. So what is the step-by-step guide? Well, right here, all you need to do, you need to actually write your first name, your middle initial if you have any, then your last name, your suffix if you have any, your home address. This is very important, so please make sure you put your home address correctly, because that's how they'll be able to verify that it's you, and your credit score as well. And remember, this is a card for mostly bad or no credit, so if you can apply, and even if you have bad or no credit, you can apply it with a peace of mind. And if you are still thinking that what to do, well, you can actually read right here, and we are going to paste the link below in the video's description. Then you need to put your city right here, your state, zip code is very important, make sure you verify that, and email address that you will receive all the correspondence from them. Then you need to put your social security number and then your total monthly income. Remember, when you have your total monthly income, you'll put it right here, and then you can calculate your total monthly income. If you don't know about it, means if you get the payment weekly, bi-weekly or yearly, like you are a self-employment business or something like that, you can calculate your monthly income by using their calculator. Well, then you need to tell them your primary source of income, your primary phone number, your secondary phone number if you have any, your date of birth, and then they're gonna ask you, do you have an active checking account or a debit card, and then would you like an additional card? You can get 2 for an authorized person. And it asks you for authorized pre-qualification. Remember, when you click on it, you click by clicking this box, agree to the terms and conditions. Then you need to click right here on I am not a robot, and then you can see your card offers, and this is very, very important. Remember that when it comes to this Surge MasterCard, the rating is 4.7 out of 5, and this is indeed a very important one, and more than 10,000 people reviewed it already. So it means that this is indeed a very legit and a very important credit card for millions of Americans who are struggling right now. And according to their reviews, this card is excellent, and it's on Trustpilot. Remember, this is a BBB accredited business, and they have a A+ rating. So this is indeed a very important and reputable financial institute. Well, remember, this is a secure site, so don't worry that when you put in your information, it's not gonna go anywhere according to them. And remember, we are not a financial advisor, so please act according to your own knowledge. And remember, credit card is a debt, you need to pay it back. Well, if you have any questions at all, please let us know in the comments below, and we will be happy to answer each and every question of yours. Remember, we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification when we upload that video. And please smash the like button right now, as it helps this video reach to the wider audience. So we will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.